there's a member called Chaz, I think it's Chaz B on forums. He designed a sticker, so I've decided to put it into circulation, if you want to call it that, and that's it. Size is 120 by 120 mil, but I am getting the decals done. They're going to be 10 by 8, and the circle won't be on, it'll be just the writing. And also that smoke, these are more or less, I won't call them samples because I'm still going to sell them, but the smoke on the others, it's more transparent, so you can see the back. Well, that's on the decals, and well, the stickers are going to be the same. Right, also with these, they are transparent. When I can get the edge, there, look. So you can have on your windows, anything. Alright, they're transparent. Well, I'm going to put this up back just to show you what they look like. No, in fact, I'm going to put it on the window. Then it'll show the transparency. No, it won't. Yeah, it will. Well, anyway, they're transparent, aren't they? So let's put it on window, eh? Right, give it a good clean. As I say, they're transparent. See-through, in other words. Oh shit. God, I didn't realise it was so... I like that. Like I say, the smoke is more transparent on the other, and it's a bit smaller. But we are, like I say, we are getting the decals done. Right, they'll be on the website tonight. There's also other stickers available. Any profits go to the members. We've funded 2 barbecues at the moment. There's a massive one at Whittingham, doing one at Baston. The organisers already got the money for that. You know what I mean? So it's working. The system that's in place is working. Right, that's it. Thanks for watching.